Launched by Autobacs Seven, a leading Japanese automotive accessories retailer, and called the ARTA GT Kit, this extreme modification package is limited to only 20 sets worldwide. The design and development team is the same team that created the ARTA Civic Type R Super GT GT500 racing car, and they have a very clear goal: to create a front-wheel drive beast that can threaten supercars on winding tracks. The exterior design changes start at the front. A redesigned front bumper and a large lower spoiler are combined with a blackened radiator grille. The front bumper also features double-layered aerodynamic winglets at each corner and widened fenders with prominent cooling vents, creating an aggressive look. The hood has also been modified, adding 3 functional cooling vents to effectively dissipate heat. The sides retain the wide body design. Exaggeratedly widened fenders and new side skirts give it a visual appearance approaching GT3 racing car specifications. The rear features bespoke wheels, a redesigned rear diffuser, and a high swan neck style rear wing mounted directly to the trunk lid, complemented by an improved exhaust system. Performance hasn't been compromised. Autobacs has fitted this Type R with a larger capacity intercooler and revealed that the 2.0-liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder engine will undergo further tuning and upgrades, although specific figures haven't been released yet. The braking system has completely abandoned the original Brembo, opting instead for the AP Racing high-performance braking system with dual discs and large black calipers. The suspension system has also been upgraded, aiming to extensively improve handling and track stability. Of course, such an unusual design and limited production run comes with a hefty price tag. The ARTA GT Civic Type R starts at 13.5 million yen, almost double the price of the standard Civic Type R in Japan. This price might be hard to comprehend for the average consumer, but for buyers seeking pure racing visuals, genuine racing history, and extreme rarity, this Civic Type R might be the closest thing to a legally roadworthy race car.